I'm Abhirup, and I have completed my bachelor's. My undergraduation was in computer engineering, but because I always wanted to be a storyteller, and because of a lot of other situations, I moved on. I could finally move on to study a master's in English literature from Christ University, Bangalore. And because when I was graduating, COVID happened, so I couldn't continue pursuing education afterwards. So I had to take up a job for 2 years. Now, after COVID, I am currently pursuing a second master's in folkloristics because I wanted to specialize in folklore and folklore research. So at present, I am a graduate student at the Department of Cultural and Creative Studies in Northeastern Hill University, Shillong, and I'm pursuing my second graduation, post graduation in folkloristics. And I'm also a member of the International Society for Folk Narrative and Research. So that will summarize my academic profile. And as for the work that I presented in the conference, it was about the upcoming folk group of the digital folk group, which is being created through the uh, different genres of content that we find online on YouTube and other such social media platforms. And given my specialization, because I am focusing on paranormal folklore and demonology. So the work that I presented looked into a formation of belief system and a folk group based on the paranormal belief system, or the flip side of the religious belief systems. So yeah. Well, in terms of research, I always believe it's the passion and towards the content that you have. So, given the research that I'm doing is in like very close to my heart, and because I have always been interested in working towards understanding how the society works and what can we do to make living conditions better across the world, not just in one specific place. So this work that I took up, it kind of motivated me because I was having a lot of support and encouragement starting from my parents, my brother, and including my professors. They were very encouraging, and they also said that it's a good approach. It's the research is worth. So I believe that carrying out the project or the work during COVID was primarily because, one, because of course of the encouragement that I received, and second is because like the topic is like I'm insanely in love with the topic that I'm doing, so I can work on the topic no matter what happens. So I think that's what kept driving me. That's what drove me to complete my work during COVID. And yes, because again, because of the encouragement, I wanted to like share the work, and that's why I participated in the conference. Uh, well, to begin with, to be honest, you cannot replace physical in-person conference with an online conference. Of course, that's there. But given the changing times and things that we are not in control of, I would say yes, online conferences are possible. They are a good alternative, definitely. So yeah, I think they are a good way to uh, to organize conferences in case we do not have the resources, or like what happened during COVID, we do not have the ability to organize an in-person conference. Yeah, they are definitely a good alternative. Yeah, it increases your scope. So let's say you have a conference which aligns with your work or your topic that you're doing, and that conference is happening somewhere across the oceans, and you do not have the means as of now to attend the conference in person. But definitely, if you participate in the conference as an online presenter and share your work, it will definitely increase your scope, your area, and also will help you find contacts, right? Contacts and make connections and grow in your field. So yeah, I would definitely encourage them to take part, share their work, no matter what happens, because it's important. To begin with, I liked the way it was organized. It was quite meticulous and well organized. I love the way the Eurasia conference were organized. Second thing was the response. I mean, Dr. Flora Charles is has been brilliant in responding to my emails and sorting out my queries and helping whenever necessary, giving me information. And so in totality, I have had a brilliant experience, specifically regarding this conference because of the well organized and structured way that the conference was held.